Hey fellow passive income investors, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be on answering a question from an investor who is asking how much they need to invest to generate $1,000 a month. So I'm going to answer this question in two ways because there are answers here and it's very simple math, but I don't want to just reply with a simple answer. I have a spreadsheet that I'm going to show you exactly how much you need to invest with using two different scenarios. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can invest only 100 shares in MSTY and you will be a millionaire within just few years. Sherry episode 6793 is asking how many shares does he need to generate $1,000 a month. $1,000 a month on the lowest payout around 120 per share will need around 835 shares. Smart Guy Fitness 92 says 681 shares. Barry 3 says depends on the fund performance paying out. Using the average of $2.56 per month, $1,000 divided by 256 equal to 390 shares. Low key, everyone is going to give you a different number. He's right that everyone is going to give him different numbers based on the number they're using. But in this video, I'm going to make this very simple. Before going to our spreadsheet, let's look at the price movement for MSTR for today, because this is what will determine exactly how much you need to buy, right? Because if MSTR goes to $25, then you're going to need more money. Today's volume is over 12 million and average volume is around 9 million. And distribution rate at the current price is 140, but we're going to see the accurate rate based on our average distributions. To answer this investor's question, we are going to look at three things. The first, we're going to look at current price because this is the price we are buying these shares. Then that will determine how much we're going to need. So today is 21.21. Then the second thing we're going to look is average distribution. Since they have paid cumulatively, they've paid $2.56 on average. And third, we're going to look at last distribution. This is the distribution that they just paid recently. With these three things, we can predict exactly how much we need to invest to have $1,000 a month in dividends. We have those three numbers now. We plug in our spreadsheet. So this is an answer. You're going to need 8,300, which will give you 391 shares or $1,002 a month, annual income of 12,021. You see, we're paying only 8,000, then we get 391 shares. But this is just average. To go with more conservative way of calculating, we're going to need to do different calculation. And that's why this other number comes. This is using our last distribution they just paid of $1.47. We're going to need to put more money at 14,500, which will give us 684 shares. And that's monthly income of $1,005 or annual income of 12,059. So you see, using conservative lower distribution of $1.47, you're going to need to put more money. We can expand this even further. So let's say you want to go with the lowest distribution MSTR has ever paid, which was $1.21. Then you're going to need to put even more money here. But I didn't see the need to calculate all the numbers. But these two numbers, I think, will be more sufficient to know exactly how much you're going to need to invest to generate $1,000 a month. So the first one, we use average distribution. The second one, we use the last distribution they paid. And those are the numbers. Now let's look at another math. This is an investor who doesn't want $1,000 a month. Rather, they just want 100 shares of MSTY. How much can they get with their 100 shares? This will surprise you guys. Now they need 2,120 at the price of today of 21.21 cents. And that's going to give them a monthly income of 256, annual income of 3,071. And clearly we can see this is not enough money. It's not even close to $1,000. So what if you want that money to grow and you want to use this money for your retirement? How long is going to take you for your 100 shares to generate enough income for you to be able to retire? Let's look at another calculation here, guys. 100 share of MSTY, you're going to need 2,120 at the price of today. And that's going to give you 3,053 annual income. So what are you going to do? Every month you receive your distribution. We know every month you're going to receive 256. That's the first month. You're going to buy more shares. And second year, your total value is going to be 9,569. And that second year, you're going to collect 7,449. because you have added more shares, you reinvest all your distributions, you keep adding. With just 100 shares of MS2I, you didn't add any money. And this month, assume that there's no share growth. So MS2I is now going to 25, 26, 27. It just stays at 21 cents, or it does not actually go down. You just receive your distribution and buy more shares at the same price. That's just an assumption. 10th year, your annual dividend is going to be over 100,000, and your portfolio at that point is closer to 500,000. Now, if you just leave your money alone and you keep investing, 11th year, you're going to have 670 and an annual distributions of 171. 12th year, your portfolio is at 886, closer to 1,000,000. You're not a millionaire yet, but your annual dividend you're collecting is 216,000. That's a lot of money. Now, you just buy more shares that year. You just let it grow for one more year. Your portfolio is going to be 1,155,000, and you're collecting over 268 in distribution, 2,120, giving you 100 share of MS2I. And within only 13 years, your portfolio is going to turn 2,000 into $1 million portfolio. So guys, that's all I have for today. I just want to make this video to answer investor question, how much you should invest to generate 1,000 a month. And also I wanted to show you how owning only 100 shares of MS2I will turn your portfolio into $1 million portfolio within just 13 years. If you like this type of content, as always, smash the like button. If you have any comments, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button so you can always receive this type of guidance and updates. And I really appreciate you watching this video. Thank you very much. I'll catch you next one. Bye-bye.